Hey guys, in this video we will talk about kitchen decor. A kitchen is the heart of a house or place where a tree of each family starts and ends. Since ancient times, when people started making house, they kept a place to separate where are the member of family together and cook and eat food. Till now there is a beautiful space in every home is called kitchen, with various kitchen items and customized with kitchen decor. Whenever we hear the term kitchen, an image click in our mind where a mother is cooking food and she is surrounded by several kitchen items. The kitchen channel considered for cooking, but it has been dining area for many. Some kitchen decors can help in delivering a message to your loved one with the delicious foods. The kitchen is not only served good food but also serves the love of the person cooking inside. So this is the most important home in the house and the place that looks beautiful in all ways. Every two-faced is cooked in the kitchen and boosts up everybody. The kitchen decor helps in making it in the heart of the house. It is the hub of the home as friends and family gather here and create beautiful memories that last a lifetime and can lighten up their mood. Wooden notice board for elementary is the best kitchen decor that helps in leaving a sweet note with some spicy food in the kitchen. In each family there is a member who loves to cook and create delicious dishes. Kitchen is the most important part of the home, as he or she spends of the most time experimenting with the food. It is very important to have the best kitchen items that make cooking and experiment with food successful and fun. Cooking is a tedious process but it can be more fun where kitchen items are handy. Various kitchen items like baking dishes and storage are of best interest for cooks as well as for foodies. If you like this video, please like our video and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.